smart, purpose-built, engineered for precise operations. Introducing the XAG all-new R-Series agricultural rover. The new rover measures just 80 centimeters wide, shuttle through narrow rows and greenhouses with ease. A lightweight aluminum chassis and suspended rear axle keep it stable, even over the most challenging ground. With IPX6 waterproofing, it performs rain or shine. When it's time to protect crops, precision spraying takes over. The R100 runs dual intelligent atomizers with a 120-liter tank. Each spray nozzle delivers liquid up to 4 liters per minute. And the R200 doubles the nozzle and capacity for more efficiency. No spot goes untreated. Powerful jet sprayers reach up to 7 meters each side, tackle dense, layered canopies without crowding the plants. Coverage is tailored to your needs. Droplet size ranges from 60 to 200 microns for most conditions. Adjustable mist cannons aim at any angle or direction. As speed changes, the spraying volume responds instantly. Every plant receives just the right amount, efficiently and accurately. Control is effortless. The XAG Smart Controller puts everything at your fingertips. Responsive touchscreen and joystick. Wide-angle FPV live stream and X-Link connectivity for precise, low-latency remote control. Wherever you are in the field, you're always in command. While the rover moves, path tracking keeps it on course. Auto-correct the route for precise operation, even on the toughest terrain. Set your pace with cruise mode, anywhere from 0.1 to 1.5 meters per second. Steady, consistent performance from start to finish. Want to repeat a job? Save the previous work with repeat mode. Let the rover run that exact path on its own again and again. What sets XAG rovers apart is the intelligence. With the RealTerra onboard mapping system, the rover creates a bird's-eye view of your field after the first manual pass. See the ground, plants, and the pathways between the rows. Turn the satellite map into a high-resolution atlas. Then, you can plan precise self-driving routes. Autonomous operation begins right away. When the rover is on its own, safety always comes first. Onboard camera and AI assistants watch every step ahead. If a pedestrian appears in its path, the rover stops instantly. With a fully enclosed spray system and remote operation, you'll stay protected from chemicals at all times. But that's not all. The expandable platform takes on more: weeding tools, cargo beds, and other attachments. Turn your rover into a carrier, a weeder, or whatever your job needs. Make it the ultimate working companion. Precision, intelligence, endless possibilities. This is the XAG R-Series agricultural rover, your smart farm's co-pilot, always ready for what's next.